Hello guys, today we are making homemade ginger biscuits. To begin with, we're going to sift all our dry ingredients into this bowl. First ingredient we're going to sift is some plain flour. Next, sift the caster sugar. 2 teaspoons of ground ginger, a pinch of salt, half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And just mix that all together. Okay, next we're going to take 125 grams of butter that I've cut into small cubes, and we're going to rub this into the dry ingredients. When you're done, the dry ingredients should be sort of like a breadcrumb consistency. Crack a singular egg into the bowl. To the egg, add a teaspoon of syrup. Add the egg to the dry ingredients and work into a dough. Preheat the oven to 190 degrees Celsius. Roll the dough into 12 balls and place them on a pre-greased baking tray. Bake the biscuits in the oven for 15 minutes. Once your cookies have finished cooking, leave them to cool for about 5 to 10 minutes. Thank you so much for watching the video. That was how to make homemade ginger biscuits. Bye.